In today's fast-paced work environments, focus and privacy aren't optional. They're essential. Introducing the Space Pod by Smart Glass Country, a fully enclosed modular work pod that's built for how we work now. Designed with premium materials and switchable smart glass walls, the Space Pod offers on-demand privacy at the touch of a button. Use it as a projection screen for presentations, an immersive canvas for ideation, or a clean whiteboard for live sessions. Enjoy acoustic privacy designed for meetings, calls, and deep creative work. It's more than a pod, it's a smart, soundproof, climate-controlled space that adapts with you. Fast assembly, no downtime, fully movable and reconfigurable. Whether it's a corporate HQ, university, or a co-working hub, the Space Pod transforms any space into a high-performance workspace. Space Pod, modular design, instant privacy, your workspace elevated.